Another reason why Scondesignindia is the preferred choice for land surveying services in Raipur is their extensive knowledge of local regulations and zoning laws. They stay up to date with the latest industry standards and ensure that their surveys comply with all legal requirements. This expertise can be invaluable when it comes to obtaining permits and approvals for your projects. In addition to their expertise in land surveying, Scondesignindia also offers a range of related services. This includes site planning, design consultation, and construction staking. By offering these comprehensive services, Scondesignindia can streamline the entire process for their clients and provide a seamless experience from start to finish. In conclusion, if you are in need of a private land surveyor in Raipur, look no further than Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd. With their expertise, commitment to client satisfaction, and knowledge of local regulations, they are the ideal choice for any land surveying project. Contact Scondesignindia today to discuss your needs and get started on your next project. Whether you are a homeowner looking to build an addition to your property or a developer planning a large-scale construction project, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd can provide you with the land surveying services you need. They have successfully completed numerous projects in Raipur and have gained a reputation for their professionalism, attention to detail, and commitment to client satisfaction. By hiring Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd as your land surveyor in Raipur, you can have peace of mind knowing that your project is in capable hands. Their team of experienced land surveyors will work closely with you to understand your specific requirements and provide tailored solutions that meet your project goals. Whether you need assistance with site layout, boundary determination, or elevation mapping, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd has the expertise to deliver accurate results on time and within budget. In conclusion,